Welcome everyone. We are here to conduct TPO's first activity for skill development, which is the introduction. I will give my introduction first and then we'll proceed one by one. So I will start. Good morning everyone. I'm Sakshi Sachidanand Tolkar from Sangli, but I reside in Navi Mumbai. I have done my primary education in Mozambique, Africa, and secondary education in Navi Mumbai. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication at Government College of Engineering, Karad. As a person, I'm calm and self-motivated. I like to give my 100% and explore new things. Importantly, I'm consistent and flexible. My achievements are in elocution, poetry, and sports like track events. I have also participated in debates, MUN, hosted school assemblies, and worked as a team leader before. Also, I have a good knowledge of C and C++. At college, I'm a part of the Dice Club, the Robo Club, and the Sinking GCEK team. My hobby is art and craft, which enhances my creativity, and I believe that creativity is important in today's world since we have to come up with new ideas, new solutions. Lastly, my aim is to be an asset to the company and keep acquiring skills continuously. Thank you. Next is Pratik.
Everyone, my name is Ingole Pratik. I am from Musnad district. I am currently pursuing my BTech degree from Government College of Engineering, Karad, in electronics and telecommunication train. My interests are like reading novels, article writing. Also, as a person, I am self-motivated, honest, loyal, and I have done my work within a time. Also, I'm passionate about programming languages like C, C++, HTML. Also, little about web development. Also, I have completed my internships with the National Engineering Olympiad and International Foundation. That's all from my side. Next to Siddhi.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Siddhi Gopal Shinde. I'm basically from Karad. Right now I'm pursuing my BTech degree in ENDC branch from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my school education as well as junior college education from Karad as well. I have eagerly interested in coding and as well as mechanisms. So I have completed my C and C++ languages. Right now I'm learning Python language as well. I'm also familiar with Arduino. I have done some of the small projects through Arduino, and I'm also a member of part of Robo Club, and beside technical clubs, I'm a member of culture community and music club as well. Coming towards my hobbies, I'm fascinated about my art, and I like to draw uh, nature drawings and paintings as well. And I'm also a good I'm also playing taekwondo as a sport. And uh, talking about my strength are I'm a patient person, calm as well as calm. I like to learn new things and communicate with others and enhancing knowledge from them sides. And yeah, that's all about me. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya Rajendra Mohite from Vangi. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech second year in Government College of Engineering Karad in ENTC. I'm good at programming languages such as C and C++. Also have a basic knowledge of web development, Arduino, and sensors. As a part of curriculum, I have done project of anti-COVID bell based on Arduino and sensors. I'm curious about robots, so I have joined Technical Club Robo Club. I'm also a part of the non-technical club. I'm co-head of House of Art Club, organized committee member of the Dias Club, and a member of Music Club. My hobbies are reading, music, cooking, and badminton. These are the hobbies who teaches me not to give up and give my 100%. My strengths are I'm self-motivated, disciplined, and focused person. I am also a good team worker. My aim is to become a my aim is to become a software engineer, and I love to explore myself in different ways. Thank you. Next is Shruti.
Hello everyone, My name is Shruti Rajananikrad. I am from Ahmednagar. I am currently pursuing my BTech in ENTC from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am completed second stage of Yog Vidya, and also I am a good swimmer and also a badminton player. I have good skills in C and C++ and also basic knowledge of HTML and Java. My hobbies are making crafts, drawing, dancing. And my future aim is become a government officer. Thank you. Next is Suyash.
Hello everyone, my name is Suyash Suvai Jogale. Basically, I am from Nasik. Currently, I am pursuing a BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication from Government College of Engineering, Karad. As a person, I am friendly, talkative, and calm. Talking about the achievements, I was selected as a Tata Scholar of the college. My hobby is making the electronic gadgets. Recently, I have learned the Arduino languages and C language. My project is selected for the investment analysis exhibition. Talking about the short-term goals, my short-term goal is getting a good job in the multinational company, and long-term goal is acquiring a good position in that company. Thank you. Next is Aniket.
Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Shede and I am from Masur near to Karad. I am pursuing BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication branch from Government College of Engineering, Karad. My strengths are I am self-confident, hardworking, and honest person. My short-term goal is the get a job in a reputed company. My hobbies are listening music, playing guitar, and playing chess. And also I like teaching. I have taught mathematics mathematics in 11th and 12th class for 3 months. Moving towards to my activities in last year, we have made Jubil Study Leather Box for science exhibition, and I have played Amin Tufani or Gratitude song in front of FY students in music club meeting. This song is considered to be the most difficult in the world. Thank you. Next is Prathamesh Desai.
Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh Desai. I am from Vatar, near to Karad. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am interested in robotics and AI, so at present I am part of Robo Club in our college. Coming to my achievements, I am selected for the Simon Scholarship Program as well as Tata Summer Scholar. I am good at C programming language and currently working on a C++. I have volunteered in the events of Pani Foundation. My hobbies are editing videos, editing photos, memes, and playing football. Coming to the sports, I have played district level long jump competition and inter-school level kabaddi and football matches. Talking about my strengths are my positive attitude, punctuality, and flexibility. And as I'm an extrovert, I'm able to communicate with people in good and well manner. My short-term goal is to acquire a good position in a MNC, and long-term goal is to set up my own startup. That's all about me. Thank you. Next is Prathamesh Saranke.
Hello everyone, myself Prathamesh Shashikant Saranke. Basically, I am from Kiwal, which is near to Karad. Currently, I am pursuing BTech from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have more interest in coding. I done C++ like courses. My strengths are I am self-motivated and hardworking person. Coming to my goals, my short-term goal is to crack the GATE examination, and long-term goal is to achieve a good position in any reputed company or the organization where I choose to build my career. Speaking about my hobbies, I like to playing cricket, tennis, and also reading books. That's all about myself. Next is Parag Bhasme.
My name is Parag Basme. Basically, I am from Orange City, Nagpur. Currently, I am in second year pursuing my BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication branch. I am interested in coding, so I have learned the programming languages like C, C++, Java, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I have made project on uh, website for online food delivery, website for gym, and a website for tours and travels booking, and an app named Productivity Tracker, which tracks the productivity of user and gives complete analysis on daily and monthly basis. And talking about my achievements, so I would say I am 5-star coder on HackerRank in C++ and 3-star coder in Java and 2-star coder on CodeChef. And my good qualities are I'm honest, loyal, hardworking, and self-motivated person. And my hobby is meme making. Thank you.
Okay, well done everyone. We have successfully completed the first activity. Thank you very much.